My name is Gavin McDermott, and I have been in the product design and development and management area for the last chunk of my life. I currently work with Brightmonk Innovation, and we have worked with, over the last several years, a lot of early stage startups, investors, and entrepreneurs, and worked in crafting what they had as an idea and building that into a viable venture. And so during that time, we've worked with several development partners, and Multunus has been the best team that we've worked with, and there's a number of reasons behind that. But one of the things that a lot of people I think worry about when they're doing development with an overseas team is communication. And so with what we do and the type of products we build, communication is extremely important in terms of making sure, from the product standpoint, that the interactions are good, that the flows make sense, and that people aren't lost, and that you're actually building what you want to be building. And so every morning we tend to wake up and we have a slew of emails and videos from the team at Multunus on a daily basis, asking questions about the product. And so the communication has been head and shoulders above everybody that we've worked with. I know that's a concern generally for a lot of people, but the team here at Multunus has done a wonderful job of asking pertinent questions and asking continuous questions when they don't understand something, or if we haven't defined it clearly enough. Kind of in line with that is the idea of the application of thoughtful development, is what I'd call it. But they're very thoughtful about how they build products. It's not just when they build something, it's not a bunch of features cobbled together and then the product is pushed out the door as is. Rather, it's a bunch of little steps. And I guess that segues kind of into the third point of continuous learning. This firm, Multunus, has undergone quite a change in the last couple of years. They've gone from a traditional development firm to a completely agile one, to the point where now they're pushing out delivery on a daily basis, so we can get our hands on every little feature and every little thing that's developed. And so we can know on a daily basis if we're building the right thing, how it's working, do we need to change. And so that way we don't get a long ways down the road and realize that we've built something else. And those three things, between communication, the thinking that the product thinking that they actually apply to what they're building, and the continuous learning, those three things have really rounded Multunus into a wonderful development partner for us. And I have immensely enjoyed working with the teams with whom we worked, and the owners of the company are truly wonderful people. So if you're wondering about working with Multunus, I would highly recommend it. I think they're going to be around for a long time, and I know we'll be working with them for a long time. So thank you.